Hi, so in this problem, we are to solve for the formula mass of CnNO2, 2, that's zinc nitride. So I'm going to write first the atomic mass of the involved elements. So we need a periodic table for this. The atomic mass of zinc from the periodic table is 65.38 grams per mole. And then for the other element, we have nitrogen. So the atomic mass of nitrogen from the periodic table is 14.01 grams per mole. And then we have oxygen as well. Atomic mass of oxygen is 16 grams per mole. So these are the elements in the given compound. Now let's solve for the formula mass.